Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen project. It feels a little bit embarrassing because we started this project 2 years ago and it's been halfway finished and we've been stalled for a little while on it. Originally, my intention had been to fund this whole project with furniture flips. Turns out that's easier said than done. Mostly because you not only have the length of the project itself, but also doing all of the furniture flips as well. So we're at a point where we need to just wrap this project up, so we decided to just dive in and do it. And we're also at a point where we were at some of the heavier lifting stages, like removing a wall, putting in a header, building the last of the cabinetry in the island. So that is where we're focusing our attention in this episode. Spoiler alert, the project isn't quite done yet. As is par for the course with us, we started another project while we're still doing this one. So we are running that one alongside the kitchen project as well. I'll be announcing what that project is at the end of the video, so make sure you catch that. Also, would love to have you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our crazy bouncing around between projects. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're taking down this wall between the dining room and the kitchen. Do you want to get a job with an airline now? So we need to move all this plywood and beadboard and then also punch the wall on the other side. Here's the inaugural...
Well, I mean, there's been a few accidents while we're taking cabinets down. But...
Here's the first intentional punch.
Oh, so satisfying.
Won't even need therapy this week.
This week.
finally done.
Oh, baby. Look at that. One and 3/4. 1 3/4.
That's fine still. This is the struggle of renovating a kitchen in the middle of trying to live in the same kitchen and eat without getting too much drywall dust in your food. You constantly have to be either covering stuff up or cleaning it up or doing both. And it just is adding a lot of extra work to it.
Is it flush over there?
No, it is. It's time to paint the cabinets, and I'm excited because I've been waiting to see what this actually looks like for a long time. So we'll see if the black will actually work.